What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send emails from a different address or alias in different ways. So first you need to head over to your Gmail, and then on the right side you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings you need to click on see all settings. After clicking on see all settings you need to click on this accounts and import section here at the top, and after that here you will see the section of send mail as. From here you need to click on add another email address, and after that a pop-up window will appear wherein you need to enter your another email address. And after adding another Gmail address, you need to click on next step. And after that, you need to click on send verification. And then you just need to simply verify from that particular email that you have just entered. And as you can see in my another email, I have got the Gmail confirmation. I'll just click on this link. And after clicking on this link, I will just click on confirm to confirm that that's me and no one else. So after that, just simply close all these tabs. And then when you just refresh it, and when you come back to your Gmail, and after coming back, when you click on compose, here you will see the option to send new message from Gmail, and when you click on this from here, you will see the option to choose. So this is how you can send Gmail from different email addresses or aliases in gmail.com. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.